This week in space, one of the most important missions in modern history just hit a major update. Artemis II, humanity's return to deep space, is moving forward, but not without challenges. Let's break down what's happening. Artemis II will be NASA's first crewed mission around the moon in more than 50 years. 4 astronauts will launch aboard the Space Launch System rocket. They will travel in the Orion spacecraft, and they will fly thousands of miles beyond the moon before returning safely to Earth. This mission will not land on the lunar surface. Instead, it will test every critical system needed for future moon landings. Life support, deep space navigation, communication systems, radiation protection, everything must work perfectly. Recently, NASA made the decision to roll the massive rocket off the launch pad. Why? Engineers discovered issues with the upper stage helium system. That system is responsible for pressurizing the rocket's propellant tanks. It's not a small detail, it's critical. Instead of rushing, NASA moved the rocket back inside the vehicle assembly building. This allows teams full access to inspect and repair the system properly. It may delay the launch slightly, but safety always comes first. Originally, Artemis II was targeting an early 2026 launch. Now, the timeline may shift slightly, depending on testing and repairs. NASA wants to ensure every system is fully validated before astronauts step aboard, because this mission marks something historic. It will be the first time humans travel beyond low Earth orbit since Apollo, more than half a century ago. There's another factor engineers are watching closely: the sun. We are currently in a period of increased solar activity. Strong solar flares can release radiation that poses risks to astronauts in deep space. NASA continuously monitors space weather conditions. If needed, launch timing may be adjusted to protect the crew. Again, safety above all. Despite these challenges, Artemis II remains one of the most ambitious missions of our generation. It is the bridge between test flights and permanent lunar exploration. After this mission comes Artemis III, the mission that aims to land astronauts on the moon and eventually build a sustainable presence there. The moon is not the final destination. It is the training ground for Mars. Artemis II is more than just a mission. It is proof that humanity is ready to go farther, to explore deeper, to return to deep space and stay. Every delay, every repair, every extra test brings us closer to doing it right. If you're excited about humanity returning to the moon, make sure you subscribe for weekly space updates. And tell me in the comments, do you think Artemis II will launch on schedule? The next giant leap is getting closer.